Hey guys, it's Titus Incredible Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my neon slime I got on June 8th, 2018. My dad got it for me on a Friday, so let's get started. So I literally got this on that day. So yeah, and here's the slime I got. So yeah, and let's see if I could try to do a bubble. So yeah, so ready? Okay, So I did a bubble right here. So yeah. So here's the bubble. The bubble. A little more pokey. Whoa. Whoa. So, whoa, this is so cool. It's like super stretchy and really cool. So yeah, and so good. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoy my video today on the Titus Incredible Life. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye, stay incredible. And you get this at Walmart. So bye, stay incredible.